The rise of a pizza empire, an orphan's journey to billionaire status. In the heart of Michigan, under the most humble beginnings, a story of remarkable ambition and resilience unfolds. This is the journey of an orphan who would redefine the fast food industry, the founder of Domino's Pizza. Abandoned at a young age, he faced the world with nothing but a dream. The early years were a test of endurance and willpower, shaping a relentless spirit. Every setback was a lesson, every failure, a stepping stone. The turning point came with a small pizzeria in Ypsilanti, Michigan. It was here that the seeds of an empire were sown. With a unique vision and an unmatched dedication, the orphan set his sights on greatness. The concept was revolutionary: fast, hot pizza delivered to your door. It was a simple idea, but it required extraordinary execution. Through trial and error, a model of efficiency and consistency was born. But success did not come overnight. It took years of hard work, innovation, and sheer determination. The journey was fraught with challenges, yet the orphan never wavered. His belief in his dream was unshakable. As the business grew, so did its founder's ambitions. He ventured beyond borders, making Domino's a global phenomenon. The world had never seen anything quite like it. Domino's became synonymous with quality and convenience. Behind every pizza delivered, there was a story of perseverance. The orphan who once had nothing, now had everything. Yet, his wealth was measured not in dollars, but in the lives he touched and the industry he transformed. From an orphan to a billionaire, the Domino's Pizza Tycoon story is a testament to the power of dreams. It reminds us that no matter where we start, with passion and hard work, the possibilities are endless. This tale is more than just about pizza, it's about believing in oneself, embracing challenges, and making the impossible possible. It's an inspiration to dream big, work hard, and never give up, no matter the odds.